Welcome back to part 4 of making your teaching videos come alive with the Windows 10 video editor. If you're new here, I'm Lori, and this is my teaching channel. Welcome. Today we're going to look at how we can enhance our teaching videos by adding audio. We're going to learn how to add background music, how to add sound effects, and some great places to find those sound effects, and also how to add narration. Let's get right into it by taking a look at the tutorial.
To add background music to your video, click Background Music. A box with choices opens up. There are many choices. Click on the triangle next to each selection to preview the music soundtrack. The volume of your selection can be controlled with the slider bar. To see more music soundtracks, scroll down. Select the soundtrack you like and click Done. Click the triangle play button under the preview screen to preview the music added to your video. The easiest way to add narration is with the built-in Windows 10 voice recorder. To access the voice recorder, type either audio or voice recorder in the search bar. Select the voice recorder. A window opens up. Click the purple microphone to begin recording audio. If you already have a recording, the purple microphone will appear in the lower left-hand corner. Control-R may also be used to start the recording. Click the location of the microphone again, the square box, to stop the recording. Play back your recording when the window opens up by pressing the triangle play button. Click on the trim icon at the bottom of the screen. Use the slider bar to trim your audio clip.
Ducks.
To make it easier to identify your audio clip, you can rename the audio recording. Right-click on the recording name and select Rename. Type the new name for your audio clip. You can also rename the clip by selecting the Rename option in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. If your microphone does not seem to be working, click the 3 dots in the lower right-hand corner to access the microphone settings. To find out where your audio file will be saved, click Open File Location. You will probably find it in a folder called Sound Recordings in your Documents folder. Your audio file will be saved automatically. Now that we have the audio file for our narration, let's add it to our video. Open up your video project again. Select Custom Audio. A box will appear. Click Add Audio File. Select the narration audio file that you just recorded. Click Open. You can preview the audio file by clicking the triangle play button beneath the preview screen. Sound effects and custom music can be added in the same way. I would like my duck to quack, so I will add a quacking sound that I downloaded from one of my favorite sites. There are many sources for sound effects and music. For professionally recorded sounds available for free, I like Sound Effects Plus. If I can't find what I want there, Zapsplat has a huge library of sounds. With the free membership, you can download 3 sounds, and then you have to wait 10 minutes to download more sounds. One more community-sourced sound library is Freesound. For custom music, if you can't find what you would like in the video editor library, Pixabay's music library has a nice selection of free music. If you open a YouTube account, the YouTube audio library also has many songs and sound effects. It is amazing what a little bit of music and some sound effects can do for your teaching videos.
I hope you've enjoyed this video series. Are there other videos that you would like to see to answer other questions you have about making teaching videos? Do you have ideas to share that have worked for you? Maybe some ideas to make your videos even more exciting, especially with distance learning. If so, comment below. And thanks so much for watching.